Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat friend request not showing. If you're using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that friend requests on Snapchat are not showing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your Snapchat app, and here just tap on the profile option in the top left, then tap on settings or the gear icon in the top right. Now just scroll down and look for the option of clear data. So basically it's nothing else, it's just a bug with your Snapchat app. Now to fix this, you have to try to clear junk files from your Snapchat app. So simply open clear data section and then just select clear cache, then tap on clear and it will clear all the cache and junk files from your Snapchat app. So just tap on the OK option and your app will be closed. Now just force close the app, just swipe up, then close app from here. Reopen your app and now you have to retry to check if you find friend request or not. If you're still not finding the friend request, so you have to go back and here just tap on the settings option or the settings app to open it. But very first you can try to update your app. So open your app store, go for search and simply search for Snapchat and just select Snapchat app from here, and you just have to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. There's no any pending updates for your Snapchat app. If you find, just try to update your app. After updating app, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and here just look for Snapchat app. And you can try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps in case of offloading or deleting. If there will be any bug or malware with your Snapchat app, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.